Hey, are you tired of dark spots that just won't fade away no matter what you try? Maybe you have spent so much money on products that promise clear skin, but the result never lasts, right? Well, today I'm sharing 7 science-backed natural ingredients that actually works to fade dark spots, acne scars, and hyperpigmentations fast and safely. Hey y'all, I'm Angie Styles, the founder of Style Secret Beauty. Trust you all are doing great today. Let's start with Alpha Arbutin, which is our number 1 on the list today. Alpha Arbutin is a gentle yet powerful brightener derived from the bearberry plant. It works by slowing down melanin production, which is what causes those dark spots in the first place. Yes, the best part is super safe for all skin types, even sensitive skin can use it. Then, next up on the list is tranexamic acid. Tranexamic is one of my personal favorite ingredients. Yes, I love it. This ingredient helps to reduce pigmentation caused by UV exposure, inflammation, and acne. Studies have shown that it can make a visible difference in as little as 8 weeks. But sometimes I think it starts working at 4 weeks. So if you struggle with melasma or post-acne marks, this one is for you, okay? Then number 3 on the list is something you may not have heard of. It's called Brightlette marine. Okay, it's bioactive ingredient from marine microorganisms that helps regulate melanin production and boost radiance. Think of it as ocean energy for your skin. Yeah, bright, fresh, and glowing. Then number 4 on the list is ethyl ascorbic acid. Ethyl ascorbic acid is a stable and effective form of vitamin C. This one doesn't oxidize quickly. It penetrates deeper to fade dark spots while boosting collagen for a youthful glow. Then number 5 on the list is Kojic acid. We all know what Kojic acid is. I don't need to talk too much on this. Kojic acid is a natural ingredient produced by certain fungi, and it's known for gently lightening sunspots, age spots, and acne scars. It works by blocking the enzyme that triggers melanin production. Simple but powerful. Then number 6 on the list is Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3. It not only brightens dark spots, but also strengthens your skin barrier. It reduces redness and smooths out texture. It's basically the all-rounder every skin type needs. So, all skin type can use niacinamide. Number 7 and the final one is licorice extract, the nation's gentle brightener. That's what I call it. It contains a compound called glabridine. I don't know if I pronounce it well, but it's glabridine that prevents pigmentation and calms irritation. If you have sensitive or acne-prone skin, this ingredient gives you a glow without the burn. So go for it. So there you have it. 7 natural ingredients that are proven to fade dark spots fast and safely if you know how to use it. Yes, if you use it properly, if you use it well. The best part, you don't have to buy 7 different types of products to get these benefits. Yes, they are all combined in one powerful formula, the Style Secret Active Care Serum. This serum is designed to target dark spots acne scars, and discoloration while nourishing your skin with antioxidants and hydration. It's gentle, effective, and suitable for all skin types. If you are ready to review smoother, brighter, and even toned complexion, tap the link in the description, because I will be leaving the link of this product in the description. So tap the link in the description and grab your Style Secret Active Care Serum today, okay? And start looking dashed. Because why not? After all, clear glowing skin starts with ingredients that truly work. Abi no be so? Also, if you want me to share a formula using some of the ingredients I mentioned in this video, just comment recipe in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video and share and subscribe if you haven't done so, for a natural, science-backed skincare secrets that I will be sharing here. Okay? So share this video, like this video, and subscribe if you haven't done so, because I will be sharing more secrets. Okay? And that will be it. Don't forget, stay naturally beautiful always. Bye. Love you.